I feel like a train. Nobody can stop me. That's the type of energy I got today. There's a freaking train in the background, so I wanted to make this video, so I had to let it go by a little bit. I'm about to go get a workout in. My name's Alan Belcher, and if you want more energy and you want to boost your testosterone, feel in an awesome mood, and just be a train plowing through your day, then listen to what I have to say real quick. A friend of mine gave me this supplement called Relax, and I was looking to like get in a deeper sleep just to help boost my testosterone and just recover better, because I'm trying to stay in shape. I'm a former UFC fighter, and I just turned 34 years old. And you know, when you get in your 30s, you're a guy, your testosterone starts decreasing, and I wanted an edge, you know, and I know that sleep is so important, and at this age I'm starting to really realize it. Anyways, I started taking this supplement, and the first night I took it, I did not wake up. I went straight through the night. It was like I blinked, woke up refreshed, and had awesome energy. So I thought it might be a fluke or something. So I started taking it every day, continued taking it, and still same results every single night that I take it. I feel an increase in my testosterone because I'm getting stronger. My muscles growing. I have more energy. And I have two little kids, a 6-year-old and 8-year-old, and having a family takes it out of you. I'm an entrepreneur. I own multiple businesses. I got to get a quick workout in. I got to go pick them up from work. That's what I'm about to do right now, actually. Making this video, working out, go to pick them up from school, you know, and I'm running my businesses. So sleep is important. Sometimes you only get 5 or 6 hours of sleep. There's nothing you can do about it. You want that sleep to be perfect. So I'm not getting paid from this. I recommend you take Relax, and you're gonna get similar results for me. I mean, I can't speak for women. I'm sure women get the same results, but if you're a guy and you are, you know, similar age to me, you're getting in your 30s and you wanna boost your testosterone, or if you're an athlete, this is something I wish I would've had when I was competing in the UFC at a high level. Sleep, when you're training twice a day, if you're an athlete, man, I wish I would've had this back when I was fighting. That would have been awesome. And then one benefit that I think a lot of guys don't really talk about, if they have it, I'm getting in tune with this, because I feel like I'm more in tune with my body now at this age. But my mood, like, I'm not an asshole, you know. I'm really I'm fun to be around. I feel like I've never taken an antidepressant, but I feel like this is what it would be on, because I'm happy, I'm singing all the time, you know, just in a better mood. So that's what awesome sleep does. Fixes your adrenal. What's up, ladies? How you doing? Hi. See, happy. You know, you're more pleasant to be around, in a really good mood. But anyways, Relax. It works on your repairing your adrenal system, puts you in a deep sleep. Try it. I'm not getting paid from this. There's probably a link somewhere around this video, or a button you can push. Go check the website. There's probably more testimonials. Read about it. Do your own due diligence. Just from me, my experience was awesome. I say add it into your regimen and you will not be sorry.